Hello boys and girls, today I want to show you how to make very good sounding preset in Serum for Goa Trance and Psytrance, and not only. Let's jump in.
In this video, I will show you how to make this lead sound. Okay, so I would duplicate this this channel. Here I would put init preset, and what we have to do first, we choose spectral. We can choose monster. Let's add unison. We're gonna have these MIDI clips I prepared before. So I will put in solo. I want you to hear everything, almost full spectrum. So I will play it how it sounds already. And yeah, for now it's something like this. But so let me straight open the filter. I will put about like 30 hertz, something like this. Reso down. Straight away I will gonna open another oscillator. So we're gonna have two oscillators. Straight we have to engage B oscillator. So now oscillator A and oscillator B is connected to our filter, so our filter can catch the signal from this oscillator and here, and we can filter those. So now we have something like this. It's pretty okay, but it's not what we're looking for. So I will gonna add unison here. So check this out. It's pretty okay, but it's not again what we're looking for. I would go with wavetable here. I will just changing wavetable here on this wavetable, and I will change detune a little bit like this, so they are like in the opposite to each other, and here I would do the same. So now I'm put actually it in the narrow. Here I would make it wider, and here I'm making like narrow. So straight we have some interesting sound, and I'm gonna show you the MIDI. So MIDI is overlapping. So in this case we have to engage mono and legato, and of course we have to use portamento to get this glide effect. Look at this. Beautiful. And now what we're gonna do, we can put this oscillator B down on one octave down. So it's a little bit more darker, let's say. And I want to also make envelope 1 more plucky. And we will engage filter key track. So check this out. It sounds already pretty good. So now I will put the cutoff in this position in about, let's say 50. And I will connect my macro 1 here, but I will only put it in about 67. This blue round thing, let's say. So I will call it cutoff. And now we're gonna do the same thing with reso. Yeah, reso maybe we're gonna keep like this. Reso. So now I can connect these two parameters to my MIDI controller.
Guys, I have some announcement for you. Very soon, my first preset for Serum Orbitalis is made especially for Goa Trance producers, and not only, also for Psytrance, for Goa producers too. It will be available very soon on my website JaraLucaStudio.com, and I will let you know when it's gonna come out. But it's coming very soon, so stay tuned for this.
So double click here. So I go to this section and I have to click on macro 1, and I move my knob on my MIDI controller, and here macro 2, and let's check what we have. It's pretty good, but it's still not what I want. Another thing was what we're gonna do. I want to add a little bit of craziness to the sound, and I will connect LFO1 to my cutoff, and for now it sounds like this. Okay, it's pretty good, but it's still not what we want. And I will put the trigger, and I will take off the BPM because I want craziness. So I want hertz to manipulate my LFO. So now we're gonna have this. And this parameter we're gonna connect to macro 3. So I will call it LFO rate. All right, so it's pretty good. We can add a little bit of drive, like so. I will take a little bit volume down, and for now we have something like this. I have forgot to connect it to my MIDI controller. So now I have 3 parameters connected. Sounds pretty good. And now we're gonna go to effects section. Effects section, and what we need to do. First of all, I want to add filter. I can put it up, and we're gonna add flanges. And for example, I will put comp L6. It's a comp filter, and here I will connect this macro to this mix, because I don't want it in full, in the full mix, let's say, because the comp filter is pretty crazy, and we have to be aware. I mean, we have to be careful how we use it. Okay, and let's put the reso like to the halfway, and for example fix fill variation like so, filter variation like that, and let's see. And now we have to go to the 0, maybe not 0, maybe I will go till 30 hertz. Here I will go 0, and I will connect macro 1 to cutoff in this filter. So here macro 4, which represents this mix knob, I will call pump filter, and I want to map to my slider in my MIDI controller. Actually, I have to map it to another one. This one. Okay, so for now it's perfect. Okay, let's see what we have. I'm adding okay. So if it doesn't work, you have to check with your reso. And here. Oh, now you can hear that it's working. That's why we have this mix parameter here to take it down a little bit, because it's really crazy. We can go even more with reso, so the comp filter will be more crazy, and we need to just be careful with the mix control. So here the mix we can even a little bit less. So without comp filter and with. A little bit less. Okay, sounds pretty good. And now we're gonna add delay. Delays here. Okay, so here in delay, you can add just normal ping pong, maybe 8 bars. Okay, so now we have pretty much what I've done, and I can show you one very nice trick also. We don't have to use this ping pong. We can click BPM. So now we have the milliseconds here to choose. So I will put like 107, let's say, and here I will put out 100, and let's see how it sounds. I will put it in solo. For me, it sounds much more Goa, let's say. All right, so I think it's pretty much what I've showed before and what we have in the context. projects from this tutorial you can find on my fresh Patreon website, so I will put the link in the description and you can download it.
I thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel, hit the like button, and see you in the next video. Bye.